You have now entered the snoring of a madman. This is unprecedented coverage of a human being. Don't look at him right now. But he's about to do something amazing, people. Something you never... Oh. We're going to try it one more time. Just wait and look. Now, as you can see, the snorers do wear designer clothes, which make them even more noticeable when they're out in public. Look at the head nod. He's about to let one loose. He's revving the engine right now as we speak. Can you hear him? Right now, he doesn't know what's going on. He may think he's at a Coney Island ordering an omelet with no cheese, heavy butter with wheat toast. But who knows? Now, if you see this man, he is a wanted predator for snoring out loud in public. We don't advertise like, companies. Here we go. I think he's dreaming about a long-haired rabbit named Wanda.
Man, come on, man.
I wonder if he can text or snore. How do you do that? Oh. SOL. Snore Out Loud.
That music.
Is he watching a slow game of tennis? His neck keeps going. Here we go. Maybe it's halftime. Maybe he's out for a beer right now. Maybe he's driving around. Maybe he's riding down Grand River right now. And he's just trying to hit the lottery. Mega Millions. Oh man, he's just saying, wow. Now he's taking a leak. Now he's taking a leak. Is that Captain Crunch?